In this video, we're going to show you how to make these gorgeous two-tone bath bombs using the Rhubarb and Custard fragrance from the Soap Kitchen. Let's jump straight in. First things first, get everything ready before you start. Pre-weigh all your ingredients and place them within reach. Now grab a clean mixing bowl. Add your bicarbonate of soda and your citric acid. Using your hands, mix them together really well until everything is evenly blended and there are no clumps. Next, it's time to add your wet ingredients, but slowly. Start by adding 1/3 of your Polysorbate 80 into the dry mix. Use your hands to mix it thoroughly. Then keep adding the rest gradually, mixing well each time so it blends evenly. Once that's incorporated, you can add the Rhubarb and Custard fragrance oil. Add it slowly, mixing in every small addition. This is important because adding it too quickly can activate the mixture early. Keep mixing until the texture is just right. When you squeeze it in your hand, it should hold its shape but slightly crumbly. Divide your mixture evenly into 2 clean bowls. In the first bowl, add your pink mica powder until the colour is fully and evenly distributed. In the second bowl, add your yellow mica powder and do the same, mix until it's smooth and consistent in colour. Now for the fun part, moulding. Take your 70mm bath bomb mould and fill one half with the pink mixture, slightly overfilling it. Then the other half with the yellow mixture, also slightly overfilled. Press the 2 halves firmly together. Give each end a gentle tap, then carefully remove your bath bomb from the mould. Finally, you want to leave your bath bomb to cure properly. Leave it to set and dry for 24 hours. And once it's fully cured, it's ready to use or package up and gift. And that's it. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more bath bomb making videos.